Hi everybody, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install a dryer outlet. This is a 4-prong receptacle. So what we have here is we have four wires. So these two, the black and the red are the hot ones, and the white one is the neutral, and the bare wire is gonna be the ground. So as you see over here, you have two brass screws. So any of these ones can go over here, and the white one is the white wire is gonna be on the silver screw, and the green one is gonna have this bare copper, or if for any reason there are some wires that they may have the green sleeve, so this one can go here on the ground. So for these ones, they can go anywhere. It doesn't matter where they go. I mean, to which terminal they go, as long as they go to the gold one. So right here we're gonna be using the flat screwdriver to tighten these ones. So for this, I just want to mention that for this receptacle, we're using a 4/316 box. So I think that's the widest they make. I didn't put any extension, but just what I recommend is you to use the deeper one you find. You can use a 4x4 and put an extension, and that way when you tuck those wires down, they're gonna be much easier. So right here we're gonna tighten this silver one. So that's gonna be the neutral, and so as you see, this one is I'm gonna cut a little bit so it doesn't show anything on the back. So any wire thicker than the 12 is gonna be more hard to handle, to maneuver. So yeah, as I told you, just get very deep boxes, so that way it's gonna be easier to bend it and to put them on the box. So right here, after we tighten the last one, the green one, we're gonna make sure that that you tie the screws very well. Yes, because it's in case they're loose, they're gonna be they're gonna make some arc, and they're gonna be causing problems. Yeah, and actually that's how the fire starts. Yeah, those wires. So yeah, so we just push the wires in, and if you want to put some electrician tape, you can do that. If not, yeah, it's gonna be, it's okay. We're using a square number 1 for the for these little screws, but you can use a flathead screwdriver. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect the dryer plug. It's a 30 amp 4 prong, and as you see, it's very simple and very easy. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, thanks.